What's going on, guys? Happy Sunday. So I hope you guys all had a fantastic weekend, enjoyed the holidays, spent some time away from the screens with family, friends, yourself. Just kind of got away. So with that being said, we are coming into the end of the year here. It's been a crazy past month, I could say, for sure, in the stock market. A lot of chop, a lot of sideways action, a lot of volatility to the long side as well as to the short side. Haven't really been getting a ton of follow through. And when I mean follow through, one green day by another green day, followed by a rest day by another green day, so forth and so forth. We're getting these big swings up and these big swings down. So with that being said, you need to be a little bit more patient. It's been more of a cash flow scalpers, day traders market, more so than a swing traders market. A lot of stocks that have been putting in these big moves have been stocks predominantly in the triple Qs, the big tech stocks. Your Teslas has given you big room to the downside, and then as well back up to the upside. Nvidia has been on a phenomenal run. Microsoft, Apple's done amazing things. Amazon was a great short position for the short term the past couple of weeks. Everything getting a little bit of a bounce here. So what I am looking at is the daily chart on the triple Qs. We did close at 396.92. After hours in the session, we were about 397. So with that being said, here's where we need to be a little patient. And why I say that is because this could be a time this week coming, meaning tomorrow's session going to be December the 27th. This could be a week where we experience a little bit of a rest, where we experience maybe a little bit of consolidation. Maybe we start to hold this move off of the bottom channel that we just put in. If you really look at it, just coming back here to the chart here, we came down and we tagged this 377 area, which is also going to correlate with the 100 simple and 100 SMA on the triple Qs. And we put in 1, 2, 3, 4 green days. So this was a fantastic week for the bulls. That Santa Claus rally going into the holiday weekend. Do we get follow through? It's completely, entirely possible. Normally, typically this time of the year going into January, we get that January effect where we continue to get that rally before we get some of that, selling pressure coming into February. But with that being said, is we can't just assume that because the market was up this week that we're going to continue to ride high this week. We can completely see inside bar days. We can see maybe a back test back into this rising 10-day, 20-day moving average at around 391. So definitely want to keep an eye on that. And then that big level in the sand still is going to be $401. You can see here going back almost a month and a half, every time we come into this area, we get strong, harsh rejections. So if that's still going to be true and play out, we could potentially see 400, 401 this week, followed by a back test of 395, followed by a back test of, this 392, 391 area. It's completely, entirely possible. So I want you guys to all be very, very careful, be very, very mindful. And until we start closing above $400 and get above that level, possibly coming in here to these all-time highs at around 408, 407, test this area, get rejected, come back down and see that 400 is going to now act as a level of support. That's when I would start getting aggressive going to the long side. If we start to get aggressive here over 397 into this 400 area and we sell off, that's when you can really get caught to the downside. So just keep that in mind. Those are the levels that we're going to be watching. Currently looking at the futures market here, and the futures market is going to be up around 45 points. So definitely still very, very early as futures just opened up about an hour ago. But until next time, guys, I will see you guys all in the next video. If you guys want to join my Discord, that link is down in the description box below. Also subscribe to my channel as well as leave me a comment, and I will see you guys all in the next one.